Hey everyone, I'm Kim with another awesome video. Do you want to use free and open source model inside your Visual Studio Code? Then this video is for you. I'll show you the way that you can use 10 different free and open source model inside your Visual Studio Code from one single method. Then let's get started, which is provided by Kilo Code. Open your editor, it's maybe Visual Studio Code or Anti-Gravity in both platforms. These all extensions are available. Then source for Kilo Code. Currently, Kilo Code provide nearly 10 model for free for a long term. All of these model are free and open source model. Install this extension Kilo Code AI Coding Agent, Copilot and Autocomplete. After you have installed, it will be reflected here in left bar. Okay. If you are using it for the first time, then it may ask you the login as well. Without login, you can also use it. Here in the text field, age and everything will be mentioned here. Code section, you can set it code, ask, debug, plan. This is currently not available. After that, you can select model here. You can set it the model speed. If you can set it high, it will respond to you faster and take more token. Coding indexing, auto approve, you can set auto approve on or off. If you can set it off, then every time it will ask before modifying your project. That's why I'll suggest you to enable the auto approve. Enhance prompt feature is also available. This is another awesome feature about the Kilo Code. If you provide any prompt here, then ask you to enhance the prompt, then it will enhance your prompt. Voice prompt is also available here, and if you want, you can use any external provider, but Kilo Code itself provide 8 to 10 model for free. Source for free, then all the free model are reflected at the top. Step 3.7 flash, you can know that how much awesome this model is. Poolside Laguna, Tencent HY3, North Mini, Link 3.0 tiny model, Nematron 3 nano, super and ultra. At the same time, you can get access of the open route free model, and Laguna XX 2.1 is also available here. If you didn't want to switch between the model, then you can also set it auto free model. It will automatically select the best working model according to your prompt. I'm going to select this Tencent HY3. This HY3 is a 2095 billion parameter mixture of expert model from Tencent, activating 21 billion parameter per token. It will not use all the parameter in single windows. It will only trigger in specific export model. I'm going to select it. Okay, now I'm going to build one project to show you how much awesome is it, how is it work, how much time it will take. Here I have give one simple one line prompt. Build a drawing board in single HTML file. Then you can also enhance your prompt from here. Currently, it will enhancing the prompt. This is the total enhanced forms of the prompt. Create the complete functional drawing application contained within a single HTML file. The application should include the canvas element, use HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript, implement feature such as adjustable brush size, a color picker, eraser tools, and the bottom to clean the canvas. Every time output is always depend on your input. Okay, that's why if you provide the best prompt, then it will give you the best output. This is the one of the best way that you can use popular and open source model inside the Visual Studio Code through client code extension. Didn't underestimate the power of this free model. Okay, this Tencent HY3 step 3.7 is very much powerful model, and Nematron is also available here. You can easily use all this model for your learning purpose. Okay, I think it will already complete. Let's see. This is the drawing app. I'm going to run it. Let's see how it look. Okay, yeah, everything is working perfect. You can also use eraser. You can also increase and decrease the size. This is the color that you can pick. Okay, if you want to clear all the board at once, and if you draw the awesome drawing, then you can also save it in your device. Within 1-2 minutes, we have built one drawing board. Okay, this is the power of open source model that you can use in your daily life. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you want to explore more, use it. It will provide decent amount of limit per day. If you use AI model 2-3 hours a day, then this platform is enough for you. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding. Bye bye. We'll meet you on the next video.